It's really key to invest in a solution and a system like this in order to accommodate the future growth that you're going to need in order to keep your competitive advantage. So what this whole system is able to do and why it is such a great tool for being able to accommodate your future goals, aligning your goals, and really growing overall is that it enables an entire training management life cycle for whether it's a few hundred learners or thousands of learners to all be managed and centralized from one system and one hub. It allows a great flexibility when it comes to automation, so it takes away a lot of the day-to-day or manual pieces that a training coordinator or a training lead would have to keep track of. That system does that for you. It's also great in terms of being able to provide you with key performing indicators, so KPIs and other metrics, so that you're able to go into the system and see in real time how your individual learners as well as your teams of learners are progressing through different modules, where they may be within their entire competency program, and where there may also be gaps. The system can help highlight that as well.